coming.
Man, why are you being such a
Oh, hey man, you think I can get a spot real quick?
No, man, I gotta take a shit.
Oh man. Hey Alex.
What, son? What? What do you want? What do you want?
Whoa,
Huh?
whoa,
What are you asking?
I just wanted a spot, man.
Oh yeah, dude, let's do it. Oh! So how many sets you plan on doing, man?
I'm just planning on going like 3.
What? No, you're doing 12, dude. Don't you want to be big like me?
No, man, I can't.
That's right. You're getting down right now, you're gonna do 12.
Alright. I'll see what I can do.
Like it's your birthday, and you know we don't give up. Cause it's your birthday. You can find me in the club.
What are you
I'm
going to?
full of bug. My mind got what you need. You need to feel it.
Come on, here's the motivation. Here's the motivation. Come on. Come on. You can do it. What's wrong with you? Such a weakling. Such a weakling. Yo, man, that was such a good job. High five. Oh, yeah. Oh, just loosen up. Loosen up, dude. Loosen up.
43! 44! Excuse me. Excuse me, kind sir.
Yeah?
You think I can use a breach curl when you're done?
Oh, dude, use it right now. It's all yours. Oh, yeah, dude.
I have to use
You use it for what? It's a man with another man. What's wrong with that?
It's ain't into making love, so come give me a hug.